You saw what?
A dying bird. Someone killed it.
Oh,
That people.
oh,
Over there.
they're not nice. They're killing the bird, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What they do with the bird?
He just cut it and put the blood and leave it over here.
Oh my goodness, that's not nice. They leave it there. They make the birds die, right?
Yeah.
Now other birds not happy now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now they were killing them.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Yeah.
They're not nice.
And you will scratch them like this.
Oh no, these people are not nice, right? They should
Yeah.
don't kill animal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what they do? Oh my God, what they do with the animal?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're bad people.
Yeah, they're bad people.
Yeah.
Oh, tell them, they're okay. You guys don't kill the animal.
Yeah. And in creature you have to leave them in here. That's not very nice when you put the blood.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
right. Right? Oh
Yeah.
my God, it's so sad, right?
Yeah.
It's so.
Now the other birds don't know what to do.
Oh, don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Oh my God, maybe other birds so it's flying now. They run, they scared because these people gonna catch them again and killing them. You know?
And that's why they will fly away.
Yeah, they fly away. Yeah, they fly away right now because.
And they just looking them very closer. They will very careful.
They're very careful?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely, yes. Of course they will be careful
Yeah.
because
And then they will fly away.
they fly away, yes. My
Yeah.
goodness. Oh
And,
my.
And ours the people will catch the bird again.
They catch the bird again? Oh no.
And the other bird see the bird is dying. He's scared.
Oh yeah, they're scared. Yeah, what the people doing? What they do with the bird?
Yeah.
They
don't
make
know.
barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh no.
They make barbecue and it was he like to leave it right over here and that's why the other birds run away.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh no. Tell them then. You have to tell them, hey, guys, don't kill the bird, you know? The bird's nice.
Yeah, and why you leave it right here and do the barbecue?
Yes.
That's not gonna work. You have to make barbecue somewhere.
Yes.
Not over there. We're just running.
Yeah, just running. That's right. Say, don't make barbecue here. It's not nice.
Yeah, you have to stay in home now.
Yeah.
That's our house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where did your house go?
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah. You should don't put the bird right over here and don't take care animals like that. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, I know, eh? That's no good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right. What do you do?
It will make animals die when
You
you
wanna
do that.
Yeah? Okay, so what else?
And Mama,
Yeah.
and I don't know why the guy just
Yeah.
killed the bird.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the guys doing there, they make the barbecue. That's why.
The bee.
Where?
I just see it.
The bee is coming?
Yeah.
What happened to the bee?
He like to go in there.
They go there and the bee fly?
Yeah.
Oh no. What? Oh my God! Maybe look in some here. Maybe you can find more the bird now.
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
you'll find more. Oh, over there in too much leaves.
Yeah. What do you find it? Huh? Mommy, you find it? What do you find it? They're so dirty. No.
Mama, I don't know where.
There's no there. Maybe there's just only one only maybe I think.
Yeah, I
Only one that die.
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can look at that.
Yeah.
Look at
Don't know what they're doing. Be careful. Does he live? Is he live again?
I know. He's alive.
Is he live?
Yeah.
How?
It's like the geese is like this.
Like what?
Like this in the cross.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh my god.
He's crying for. She need help.
Yeah.
He need help.
What should we do?
Oh, ask them. What should I do to you, bird? I need help. You need help? I will help you.
But the bird looks like we'll check the people over there but she will help very very soon.
Yeah, okay, tell them. Guys, the birds die here. What you guys doing?
Yeah.
Ask them. Go. Hi, guys. The birds die. Me and my mama find it.
Yeah. We just look over here. We see the butterfly but we see the bird is die. What are you doing?
Yeah, ask them. What you guys doing? We see the bird and the butterfly. Me and my mama find it.
Yeah, we find this.
Mm-hmm.
And how come you do this?
I don't know. Ask them. Go ask them.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm so afraid. You will kill me again.
Who?
You will kill me.
They don't kill you. Mama save you.
But Mama, you will kill me.
Oh, baby, the bees over there. You see the bee getting the flower?
Yeah.
There, the yellow flower. You see? Yeah, that one. You see?
Yes.
There's the bee. I saw that. In the yellow. Oh no. Okay, let's go. These people not nice.
Yeah.
They're killing the bird. Yeah.
But oh, Mama, I found a feather
Where?
over here.
Oh, the small feather. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Mama? Oh, nice feather.
That's a small one.
Yeah.
That's another one.
Come down. Get down, please. Yeah.
Maybe is his feather.
Oh, there are the birds. Yeah.
Another bird.
She's looking for a friend.
Yeah.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Here. Oh, here. Here.
Oh yeah.
You see? That one. Look. He's flying. That one. You see? That one. You see? Oh, she's flying. He's
Yeah.
jumping.
She's looking for a friend.
Yeah, that one. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe maybe she will help that one.
Yeah, he will have that one for life back. That one's die and she waiting. Come on, come down, please. Help your friend.
Yeah, because she's died.
Yeah.
We just look it.
Yeah, come on, please, come down. Helping your friend.
Yeah, come on. Come on, birdie. Come on. Your friend is right over here. Look. And you don't see it? Right over here, we see it.
Yeah, go call him. Call the bird. Come on, bird.
Bird, come on. You see your friend over here.
Yeah, your friends need help.
Yeah.
Come on, bird.
Come on. Come on. Don't be afraid with us. We're good people.
Yeah. Come on, let's get down, please.
Come on. Please, little birdie. Help your friend.
Yes, we are good people. We are not bad.
Yeah, we're not bad. That one people are bad.
Yeah, they killed the bird.
Yeah.
She killed your friend.
Can I hold the bird?
Yeah? No, she doesn't see yet. When he see, he will help.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't see yet because he's too high. That's why. Yeah. He doesn't see. You see, he's still looking. See, he say what like that. He's still looking. He looking down for the where is it, my friend? I think it's still over there. Come on, bird. Let's get down.
Yeah, please get down. We can see the bird over here.
Yeah.
And we don't know why the bad people just killed the bird, the blackbird, your friend.
Yeah. Your friend's so nice. I don't know why they're killing him.
Yeah, me too. I never seen this before. Yeah, and how come he just kill it and die?
I know why they kill it. They're so bad, eh? They kill
Yeah.
the bird so bad. Come on, bird. Come on, helping your friend, bird. Why you?
Why are you so long in the tree?
Yeah, you need to get down, please.
Come on and help your friend right.
She's too long. She's take too long.
Yeah, and she's too tired.
She's so tired. How come?
I don't know. Maybe she don't want to help her friend.
Why?
Uh,
He have to help.
I
This
know.
friend have to help.
Yeah, she needs to help.
Yeah.
And how come? She's too long in the tree.
Yeah, I don't know what he do in the tree.
Yeah.
Maybe she's just looking for food.
Oh, she's not looking for food. She like to stay in the tree so long.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Bird, come on, get down.
Yeah.
You need to listen, okay? You have to listen.
Yeah. When you cannot see, you will put the scent like you will see your friend.
Yes. Your friend is died. She need help.
Yeah. Can you make it right, because that people will pull the other bird again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you be slowly walking?
No, he does slowly walking. She's fly. And now he'll come down now. Look, he come down a little bit. Oh no, he flying more up.
Yeah.
What he doing?
I don't know.
No good.
No good. She has to help her friend.
Yeah. He's bad.
She's not a bad birdie. She just like to stay in the tree so long.
Yeah? Oh no, what's he doing?
What's that?
Huh?
What's that signal over there?
Yeah.
What's that?
Okay, sweet mama, see mommy smile.